Hold on. Can you not hear me out there? You can't hear me? Is there any West London people here right now? Any North Londoners here? East Londoners? What's trouble now? Any South Londoner? So hold on a second. If it's so lively in South London, why does out there look so well behaved? Are you not well behaved in South London? Oh, me not seen a girl a spin pan them head splitting at the middle and a run round. If you got vibes on the Rampage stage, make some noise!
Hello, hi. Me and my friend, Mr. Rum, is here to destroy your vibe. Get it static. Add some stress, so I take some shots. The amount that he really touches ball. All that voice talking in my head. If you go to the vid, you can't do your best.
I want somebody to pick up something and put in the air right now.
Check.
Pick up something and put in the air right now.
Check.
Pick up somebody and put them in the air right now. Turn it up! Turn it up!
Hey,
Oh, that mic sound louder. Give me that mic there.
move from me, man.
Oh, that one that sounds so louder.
Right, I've got more projection, Seani B.
Move ya.
Make some noise for my brother Seani B from One Extra. They don't even know who you are, Seani.